how to create Gmail account. And on today's video, we will see how we can create Gmail account. So without further delay, let's proceed. First of all, launch the Gmail application. Now, if you are already logged in with your existing account, in order to create new account, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on Add Another Account. Choose Google. Provide your device PIN to continue. Once you're here, tap on Create Account. Then tap on For My Personal Use. Now, you have to fill in your personal detail. Enter your first name and your last name. If you don't want to enter your last name, that's okay, you can skip that, then tap on Next. Now, provide your basic information, that is your birthday and gender. Once done, tap on Next. Now choose a username for your Gmail address. If the username is unavailable, Google will suggest alternatives or you can try a different one. So make sure that your username is unique. Now create a password. Then tap on Next. Now you review your account information. Once confirmed, tap on Next. Scroll down and you will see the terms and conditions. Then tap on I agree. Now you have successfully created a Gmail account. In order to switch to your new account that you have created recently, tap on the profile icon at the top right. And if you see there is an account that you have created recently, tap on it. And with that, you will be redirected to your new Gmail inbox. And if you want to customize your profile, tap on the profile icon at the top right, go to your Google account, and from there you can customize your profile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.